Hey y'all, welcome back, honey. This series is gonna be about I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Okay, so many of y'all know I just got laid off, and today is about to be my last meeting before my last day of work. It is bittersweet. It just sums up the last 7.5 years that I've been with this company, and it's just like a farewell. And it's just like I don't know how to feel about it, because it's like, first of all, why am I even having a meeting? What do we have to talk about? Like, what? I don't understand why we even having a meeting, but I'm just gonna roll with it because I want to leave things off on a neutral ending. Like, I don't want it to be hostile. I don't want any of that, because if I do have to have a reference from them, I want it to be nothing but positive. So if I go out with a bang at the end of this thing, I don't want them saying like, oh yeah, she was positive all the way up until the end and then she cussed everybody out. Like, no, I can't do that. Okay, so yeah, I'm just getting ready, brushing my pearly whites, you know what I'm saying? I ain't even gonna be on camera because I don't think they deserve the luxury of seeing my face in this meeting, so my camera will be off. But I had to go ahead and brush them pearly whites so they can get right and tight, babe. Okay, but yeah, like, I've just really been thinking about like, what is life? Because for the last 7 years I just been like working and just doing my thing. Didn't even see no end in sight. Like, I never thought that I'm gonna look up one day and then boom, like, my world is changed so much. Like, I never thought that, and I never thought what I would do if something like this happened to me. Never thought about that. Never crossed my mind, not once. Not that I thought I was invincible, because over the years, every year my company had layoffs, every single year. But it's just like crazy when it happened to you. Your eyes just open wider than a damn deer in headlights. You're like, hold on. What's the backup plan, boo? What am I doing? What am I fit to do? You know what I'm saying? It's like you wake up and you be like, I gotta reevaluate my life. What the hell am I finna do? But the beautiful thing about life is you can't ever just plan the whole thing out and it just works just like that according to how you planned it out. God may have different plans for you. So he may interrupt some shit just so he can get you back on the path that you're supposed to be on. He may derail some shit and be like, hold on, that ain't what I had for you, babe. That ain't what I set out for you to do here on this earth. So I'm going to go ahead and throw a little something block over here. Throw a little railroad crossing right here. I'm finna intersect this right here because you think you know it, but you don't know, bitch. Like, let me get you together. God slapped me up real quick. He was like, hold on, you thought you knew what was going on, bitch? You don't know what's going on. You don't know what's going on and what I got for you. So hold this right quick. I'm finna show you a little something, 1, 2, or 3, okay? And I'm just excited on where he finna take me. I'm excited on where I'm finna go, babe. So yeah, I don't even feel sad no more. Like, let's go, God. What's up, God? What's up, God?